Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a Jasmy USDT trading pair with my customer Grosset. What's going on now? Let's dive in. First of all, guys, never say never. One thing. Second one, guys, people here smiling. So no, we never drop so low. Here smiling, we never drop so low. You too late and all of this stuff. You know, people all the time fall in love in some tokens, and we landed here again. So yes, we dump it. It's not fun at all. Absolutely. I totally agree. But guys, this cycle is totally different. And I guess at this time, money management is the key. Not fundamental research or some, I don't know, some metrics about the tokens. No, only the money management. Because here we pump it pretty good one. Because Jasmy, since the bottom here in Zone 22, pump it 2,000% gains. Not all tokens pump it so much, right? This run. So during the Zone 23 to Zone 24, a lot of altcoins slowly dying. So for example, the algorithm formed the new historical lower low, and the Jasmy hit the 2,000% gains. My take was here 6, 10, 70. It's full fill of monthly gap, and the next one is here, this one. So this is my 2 points for the Jasmy. So 9 cents and 14 cents. Is it possible so we can go higher? Yes, guys, everything possible in crypto, right? But this was my takes. This one and this block. So it can be the touch, 50% or the full fill. So it's like a magnet. But we got a problem now. You know that Jasmy was under monitoring tag long-term period, right? And here, this is officially now. So the Binance introduced the second batch of vote to the list on, so today, the start vote and 7 days. You can go and vote on this post. You can scroll it down and here's a list of tokens and the people now vote which token should be delisted. Zcash, Jasmy, FTT, STPT, ARC. It's kind of weird. ARDR, also weird. So just recently, this token pumped it 70% in 1 day. I have no idea, guys, what's going on with this leasing. The leasing moves, but for me, it looks weird. GPS, MBL, PERP, NKN, Wing, LTO, FLM, BSV, Alpaca, Voxel, and PDA. So we can just vote. Which one delist, not which one is should be still on platform. No, but for me it's just weird because what's the point of the listing some assets on your platform, right? And after some time delist it. So what's the point? Just to trade from money laundering or what? Because everybody understands the big players got a big allocations. So that's the point. So they list token, and it doesn't mean, you know, they list token, fresh token, nobody own it, and whales accumulated, right? If whales accumulate, it means the price skyrocket, but then whales should distribute it, right? So for me, it's kind of weird, especially this type of listing. So why you list the token on your platform, you right? And the price 36 cents in Zone 21. After that, the token dumped it in December at Zone 22 to 0.2029. We pump it 2,000% gains. And now you introduce, let's vote. Maybe maybe we should delist the Jasmy. For me, just mind blowing. And it's not only about a Jasmy, you know, it's for other tokens also. So we understand it's cruel world. Cruel world, where the whales just control the market and the centralized exchanges, it's a part of this game. Of course, guys, the targets still the same. If always in all my videos, I explain all of this bull run plans, all of this targets for the tokens, you know, even up and down, relevant only with one condition. If this token will be still listed on the major exchanges. Because of liquidity. Yes, the Binance can delist it and Jasmy can trade on other exchanges. It's okay. So the Binance is not like a I don't know, like a god of crypto. No, Of course not. We can trade a lot of tokens on the Max, on the Binks, on I don't know, Bybit, on BitGet, right? But the problem was liquidity. So this is a full fill of weekly gap, and also it's going to be the full fill of here of monthly gap. This one. So let's adjust it. So the full fill of monthly gap is around 0.207. Should we drop so low? I don't know. If we not drop and we not delist it from the Binance, yes, I think that targets will be still relevant. So it's a 6 cents and 9, around 12 cents and 14. So this is the case, guys. And it's kind of good gains, guys, because here, it can be 1,600% gains from this low. From this current price is 1,300% gains. From this low, it's going to be over than 5,000% gains. So guys, but just in case, it's possible. It's possible to see the Binance will delist the Jasmy if the people vote. Of course, I understand that Jasmy got a pretty huge army, you know, fanatic. So maybe they will not delist it. So it's also kind of weird with this vote, because it's also unfair, right? So you list the asset, and after that, just because of social community or even the bots, paid bots or so accounts with a fake KYC, not a fake KYC, you know, but with some random KYC when people sell their ID, you can vote for the token. And some good project, for example, can be delisted just because there's less people follow on Twitter. So it's kind of weird. What is good, guys, here, we get a 7 days for votes. So keep in mind, the crash is this target, this one. And at least we can pump to 3 cents 47. Why? Because it's going to be around for equilibrium of this order flow. So we can't drop further down, right? And it can be this trap. If we pump from these current prices to 3 cents or to 4 cents, and Binance will show us, so the people voted for Jasmy to delist the Jasmy, it can drop like this one. So just in case. And I guess in next 7 days, we will see some major moves, right? And you saw what happened when some token delisted or some announcement about the official delisting. It's like bam, minus 60% in 15 minutes. So just be careful, guys. Just be careful. Of course, we can't know the future which one will be delisted or listed, right? But just in case. And this is a great example, guys. Everything should be in time. You have to accumulate in time and distribute step by step in time, especially with raw initial deposit. So, guys, all targets I showed you. So now we just wait. Now we just wait, you know, because now it's not only about a TA. Now everything will be more about will Binance keep this asset on the platform or not? Because minus 60% from this current prices, it can be like, I don't know here, 0.2037. So just watch. So I will not show you the indicator stat because there is basically no make sense. Just only let's show you the take profit. And you remember here I shared with you. So we should drop to a buy line. Now we tested it even fundamental value of the token on a weekly time frame, guys. That's why never say never. And especially on 12 time frame here, fundamental value it's 0.2068 daily. Also, so if we bounce it, right, and if the Binance will not delist it here, it's a first trouble area, it's 210.60, take exit line 210.92. That's it. And be ready for another 64%. So now keep eyes on these votes. If you want, you can go and vote for Jasmy supported and vote for another project to delist it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us and comment what you think about Jasmy. Will the Binance delist it or not? If you would like to trade with my customer style, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.